In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix the ESC key is not working in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. The first solution that you can do is that you need to restart your computer. Yes, you need to restart the computer because in some instances, the moment you will restart your computer, your problem will be fixed. So here at the start, navigate here. Click on that one. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see this kind of window. Please proceed to your power menu options and click on restart. The moment you relaunch your Windows again, try to check if the ESC key is not working. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second solution. Okay? So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see a window like this, where here you need to go with the keyboard since we're dealing with the ESC is not working. Then click on this forward arrow key and there you can see your keyboard driver. Please make a right click and click on Update Driver. So this window will opt you to choose two options. Proceed with search automatically for drivers. And if the computer says that the best drivers or it has been determined that the best driver for this device is already installed, please go with search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And then once your computer have seen or have searched the updated drivers, install it in your computer. And one moment you have installed it, just try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the keyboard again, make a right click, go with update driver, and this time please proceed with browse my computer for drivers manually. And there you can see an option called let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select this keyboard driver or this compatible hardware. Click on next. In this way, you'll be able to update or install your keyboard driver. So here, you just check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to our last solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We will really appreciate your support. So the last solution that you can do is that here at the start again, make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to open a similar window where here you need to locate for keyboards again. Click on this forward arrow key and there you can see your keyboard driver. Make a right click and click on Uninstall Device. So the moment you click on Uninstall, just restart your computer. You might think that once you uninstall your keyboard, you can no longer use it. I mean, you can still use it. You just have to restart your computer. The moment you've restarted your computer, you'd be able to reinstall that again. Okay, in that way, you'd be able to fix the problem. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.